Hey friends, if you wish to find and view saved passwords on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. You can search for passwords manager and then go and click on manage Windows credential. It's actually called credential manager. Okay, you'll also find it in the control panel. So you have web and Windows credentials here. Okay, but these days most people are logging on to the web, so you will find it there. You can click on these and all the credentials are displayed here. You can also check the password and edit or remove it, but I don't want to reveal my password, but this is how you can edit or remove it. And then click on save to save the password. Okay, the other passwords are for associated devices, but this one is the main user account password. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.